Happy because wife is home and cooking. After eating, guys, doing dishes, guys. Oh my god. And after that guy right now, I'm driving my husband. It is life.
Good morning, Philippines!
Okay guys, dito tayo mag-umpisa sa ating vlog. Good morning! So nakita nyo naman ako guys, nagda-drive. Meron lang akong lakad guys, meron tayong imimit na tao. And then yon. So magandang tignan yung paligid, tignan nyo naman diba? Kahit ngayong panahon talaga sobrang ganda yung paligid. At saka ako naman maganda talaga mag-drive, pakanta-kanta o diba? Pagkatapos nun guys, tapos na kaming kumain, napagdesisyon na naming magpunta sa ukay-ukay na lugar. Ang daming ukay-ukay, magagandang damit, mura. Meron akong nakita ditong mga okay lang, meron ding maganda. Pero meron akong nabili para sa mga pamangkin kong babae. So yun lang, at meron akong naispatan dito oh. Pang matanda man ito, nagustuhan ko lang yung color guys. At saka ito yung mga gusto ko talaga. Iwan ko, paminsan hindi ko nakunin guys. Kasi feeling ko guys, yung gusto ko talaga is parang pang matanda na. Parang, iwan ko, ayaw ko maging feeling matanda. Kasi nga matanda na nga ako, magmukha pa tayong matanda o diba? Hi guys, uwi na ako, galing ako sa ano. Lumabas po ako, nag-ukay-ukay. Na pumunta kami sa Goodwill, yung mga ukay-ukay na lugar. Maganda kasi doon yung gamit nila, and then mga paninda nilang ukay-ukay. So, and nakauwi na ako, magluto lang ako guys kasi nga si Tami, pinabayaan ko siya. Kasi sabi ko, dito ka lang muna sa bahay. So ngayon pag-uwi ko dito, andun na sa shower. Hindi shower na siya. And ang gagawin natin is magluto po tayo. Linisin muna natin itong kalat niya. Kunin natin ating recipe kasi kailangan natin ng bacon. Kailangan natin ng bacon. So ngayon guys, ipakita ko sa inyo guys, diretsahan, walang istorya-istorya. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung lutuin natin. At sana magustuhan ni Mr. yung ating lulutuin kasi first time ko itong gawin. Recipe ni Inday Mirian, pero dinagdagan ng bacon. So yun, meron tayong twist. O diba? Twist, parang kanta lang yan na twist. Okay guys, magluto na si Mrs. Mirian para may makain si Mr. Unahin natin yung bacon. Yung bacon guys, huwag na lagyan ng oil kasi masibo na ito. Ang daming oil. So yun, di ba ang gandang tignan. So yun, masaya yan si Mr. kasi nag-start ako magluto.
Hobbs eating a piece of bacon. Since
Serious?
when has Hobbs ever eaten bacon?
Oh my god, that means she really is starving. See, hi love! And he's so happy. Happy because wife is home and cooking bacon. And he's doing a laundry. And so, that's Dimple, son. That's not Hobbs. You don't even know your own kid.
I just saw Harry done it. I told Hobbs to come look at.
Okay guys, back to cooking. O diba, ang taas ng energy. So ngayon tapos na tayo sa bacon. Dito na naman tayo sa ating potato. Hugasan, kunan ng skin, and then mag-cut. Andyan si Mr. Tulong-tulong din siya guys. Kasi matulong yan eh. Kapag magluluto ako, tumutulong din siya. Sabi ko, ikat mo yung onion dong. So ngayon guys, inilagay ko na, binuboil ko na yung ating potato. Lagyan lang niya siya ng asin. Ilagay po natin yung, dito sa oil nito, ilagay natin itong ham, okay? Ham. And guys, meron ako paalala po sa inyo. Ilagay natin siya, ipa-fry natin dito konti sa oil. Kailangan natin isutay ng maigi. And then, i-add natin yung onion. Pwede din kayo magandang gamitin yung white onion, okay? Okay guys, ilagay na natin yung onion kasi ready na po siya. Isutay mo lang silang dalawa hanggang mag-brown yung spam. Hindi siya spam. Ham pala, and then onion. So guys, lagyan ninyo ng 2 cups of butter, tablespoon of butter, and nilagay ko 3. Hindi talaga ako mahilig makinig sa mga recipe guys. So ilagay ko lang yung 2 tablespoon of flour. Kailangan mo lang siyang i-mix. I-mix mo lang siya ng i-mix. And then lagyan mo siya mamaya ng 2.5 cup of milk. Ito na. Guys, lagyan natin muna siya ng milk, okay? Gradually, ewan ko yun yung sabi, gradually daw eh. So yun, 2.5 milk. Okay? And then, mag-mix kayo nito is dahan-dahan lang, and then, i-mix ninyo.
Hey guys, this is my wife making potato soup. Potato slop. This is what it looked like.
Okay Actually guys, ang kailangan mo lang dito is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of paminta. So, yun lang naman yung kailangan mong gawin. At huwag mong pabayaan guys, kailangan mo siyang i-mix hanggang kind of sticky na siya. Hindi masyadong sticky. Maganda yung texture. Ito na. Before natin ilagay ang ating, lagyan natin yung ibabaw sa baba natin ng sauce na nagawa natin. So, ilagay natin siya dyan bago tayo maglagay ng potato, okay? So, yun. Dyan. So, ngayon, ilagay na natin ating potato, okay? Yung potato na nakat natin. Kasi malaki yung pagkakat ko eh. Don't worry guys, yung kamay ko is po siya. Malinis po yung kamay ko. So, malaki po yung potitong pagkakat natin. So, kailangan natin ikat ng half. Ang na-realize ko dito guys, habang nagluluto at natikman ko na siya, mas maganda pala siya, mas maliit pa dyan. Ewan ko, basta yung seasoning kasi, yung flavor, susuho po siya kapag sobrang liit. So, kaya yun lang yung na-realize ko. So, yun guys, ilagay na natin ang ating, how do you call this? Ham. Okay, ilagay na natin. I-spread lang natin sila para naman equal. Okay, spread natin sila. So, yun. So, this time, I'm gonna use my hand because this is bacon. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be overloaded. O, diba? Kamayin, oy. Hugas tayo ng hugas ng kamay. Okay. So, next is you put the sauce. First, I'm going to just do it like this. Do it like that. I will equally. Akala ko kulang yung sauce, pero okay lang pala. Kasi marami-rami pala yung tomato na nilagay natin. Usually yung recipe is 5, pero ang dami kong nilagay. Pero okay lang naman pala siya. So yun guys, wala po akong I don't have a mozzarella shredded like this. So ang gagawin po natin is cheddar cheese. So, natin sa ibabaw ng ating toppings natin. Dapat guys, yung oven ninyo is preheated na siya for 400 degree and ibibake nyo lang siya for 25 minutes and tingnan nyo na lang siya guys kasi nga yun. Ilalagay na natin siya for 25 minutes lang yun kasi luto na yung potato. And of course, my husband is cleaning up my mess because I told him I will do it. Pero,
guys, did you hear her say that? I didn't hear her say that. How about you guys?
Han, seriously, Han.
Did you hear her say that, guys? Really?
You really make me like
Oh, you lied. I said that.
I did, Han. Leave it there. I see that. Leave it there. Let me do it. I see that. Paisip ako guys, wala pala kaming gulay. So, buti na lang bumili si Tami ng mixed vegetables. Niluto ko na lang siya with oyster sauce. Yun lang siya guys, asin at paminta. Okay na, fights na. Tapos na yung ating nilulutong potato guys. So, ready to eat na kami guys. So, siniservan ko lang yung asawa ko at ako. And then, ang ko dito parang hindi ako masaya sa nakita ko. Okay, so tinitikman ko siya.
Unimpressed?
And that. It's okay. My husband is mashing it. What do you think?
It's good.
Honest.
It's good.
Tasty?
Yep. A little sour cream on it, you like it better.
Sour cream? Guys, nagustuhan ni Tami, guys. Masarap man talaga siya, guys. Masarap siya. I think you can do this kind of sauce. This sauce, you make it this sauce, and then you mash potato like you smash the potato or blend it, right? And also you can put cheese, right?
Yep.
You can put spam and bacon, right? I never see mashed potato with spam. Bacon, yes.
Yes. A loaded mashed potatoes.
Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Masarap siya, guys. Masarap siya, guys.
Was to walk out here and get the garbage and come back in.
Hello, guys.
So yes, while I'm in the garage, it'll beep 20 times, but.
Okay, so after cooking, after going out cooking, when I get home cooking, you know what guys, it's just cooking guys, it's really tiring. After hanging out with friends and come home cooking, it's really tiring. It's like now, after this guys, After eating, guys, doing dishes, guys. Oh my god. And after that guy right now, I'm driving my husband. It is life. It is life. I'm driving.
You wanted to go. I was just gonna go, get in the car, drive down, get what I gotta get.
And you know what? He is planning of getting some
lottery tickets.
Lottery ticket, and he think he's going to win. He really think all the time.
You never know. Maybe today's the day that God says, hey.
And God doesn't say gambled. Okay, God is not supporting gambling. Okay, honey? Don't even put God into this. It's just a worldly happiness. It's not, really. Sometimes, God use something to help, that people can help also, but it's if it's not for us, it's not for us.
That's right. And if it is, then it is. But it won't be for you if you don't even try. So there you go.
But anyway, guys, thank you all so much, guys, for watching, because you know what, that's the cooking and my husband is liking it. How many times do you eat? Can you show your face right now? Can you show how many times you grab the potato?
I came back for like 2 more helpings, 3 total, right?
3 total. But show your face. Say bye bye, and thank you, guys. He likes my cooking. We will see you guys later, tomorrow, whenever. Bye. Salamat.